The KSU West Khasi Hills District Unit, along with Rambrai Circle, conducted a verification drive on Tuesday on the Nongstoin-Rambrai-Kyrshai road project implemented by Spica Company for NHIDCL. The KSU aimed to ensure compliance with interstate migrant labour regulations. They verified documents of 26 workers to confirm they possess the necessary labour licenses and work permits. 6 workers reportedly lacked proper documentation. The same verification drive was also conducted by the union recently at Athiabari village, a bordering village with Assam.
Nongstoin-Rambrai-Kyrshai ban cek biang ki kot kisla ka bay day bat ki nongtre jong kane company te hadin ba kaseng kala cek ki kot kisla jong kane company Spica Nilala bahadu akun reu ngut ki nongtre barjala bawan tre kane company kimson ladon kot kisla ki babiang kamtam ya ka work permit ke idonru katuk ani ki barjala ki ba one tre kane company ki bam sem lala tang ban pensisa yala di ba kidai kita ki nong India